Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check screen time on an Android phone or tablet. So if you're trying to see the screen time report or how long different apps were used on an Android phone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to get into the settings and see that information. I'll also show you how to set timers and limits for it. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do on our Android phone or tablet is open up the settings. We can easily do that by swiping up from the home screen and then finding and selecting settings in the list of apps. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and select digital well-being and parental controls. So this is where we can first see some basic information about the screen time. So you can see how long the phone was used today. So 2 hours, how many times it was unlocked, and how many times notifications were received. To view our screen time or more information, simply select the graph, and then this will show you the screen time for your phone. You can see all the different apps below, how many minutes they were used. And if you want to see more apps, select Show All Apps at the bottom. This will open up and show you all the apps on the phone and how often they were used. At the top, you can also select the drop down to see how many notifications were received and what apps they came from, and also how many times the phone was opened and unlocked. Additionally, under screen time, we can select different days of the week and see what apps were used. We can also select the arrow to the left next to the date to do the same thing. If you want to, you can go back as many days as you want to by just selecting the left arrow. If you're looking to see specific information about an app, just select it from the list of apps below, and you can see specific information for the week for that app. You can also select to see it by hourly or daily as well by using the drop down at the top. If you want to set a limit or timer for any of the apps on the phone, simply find the app in the list below. So any of these apps, I'll just do the camera app as an example. Select the hourglass to the right of the app, and then you can set the app timer here. So you can select the time, and keep in mind this will reset every 24 hours at midnight. So if you do 30 minutes, that phone will be able to use that app for 30 minutes a day before the timer is reached. So I'm just going to do 10 minutes as an example. I've already reached that amount of time. So I'll select OK. And now as you can see, that timer has been set for the camera app. When I try to open up the camera app on my phone, it'll let you know that that app is currently paused because my timer has run out. All right, so that's how you check and view screen time on an Android phone or tablet. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.